Hey guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today I'm going to be using the heavy duty Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. These lights aren't too fogged up, these ones are a little bit, but I just wanted to try the heavy duty one to see if we get it perfectly clear with this. So I'm just going to go through the steps here and see how good it works. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is just clear the headlights, just make them clean with some Windex, not included. Okay, next thing is I'm getting the 1000 sanding grit, putting it on this pad they give you, and they say to keep it wet. So I'm just gonna spray this occasionally and then wipe it side to side. Okay, next is I removed the 1000 pit grit and put on the 3000 grit. Same thing, gonna keep this wet. The first one it said go left to right, and this one it says go up and down on your strokes. Okay, next I've got my drill. I put it on the high-speed setting, and I put this head into it, and then I'm going to take the plastics polish and put a little bit on here, and I'm going to run that into the light. Okay, then we're just wiping off the excess with paper towel. Okay. Then if there's any spots that look a little bit less clear, you can just put a touch on there and kind of just do that. So now it's starting to look very clear already. We're not even done. Okay, now we're going to clean it again, clean off any remaining residue. All right, and our last step is I'm going to put this headlight sealant onto this pad, and we're just going to carefully apply it onto this once it's dry. Okay, so we're just getting this thing so it's wet. Okay, here are the lights fully dried. You can see they are perfectly clear. I don't think I could make them any more clear if I wanted to. All right, so that's the Meguiar's heavy duty. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.